Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see last problem which is based on area between the two curves. So let us start with problem number 10. Find the area enclosed between the parabola y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to 4. We have two curves, one is parabola, another is line. So first let us solve it simultaneously to find the point of intersection. You can put directly the value of y as 4. So this will give you 4 is equal to x square. Therefore x will be equal to plus or minus 2. It means the 2 points are when x is plus 2 y will be 4. Also when x is minus 2 y will be 4. Now let us see its graph. Y is equal to x square will be a parabola where power of y is less as compared to x. So therefore its direction will be positive y-axis. The given line y is equal to 4. This will be parallel to x-axis and passing through 2, 4 and minus 2, 4. So this is a line y is equal to 4 which is intersecting parabola here at 2, 4 and in the second quadrant at minus 2, 4. The common region between them will be this part. To find the area of this region, first we can find the area under the line with respect to x-axis from minus 2 to plus 2. This line will give you the area of rectangle. And after that we can subtract the area under the parabola again from minus 2 to plus 2. That area of the parabola will be this part, and after that we can subtract both the values so that I will get the area of the required region. Here the limits of x will be minus 2 to 2 and the formula for integration will be integral y dx. Both will have same limits, that is minus 2 to plus 2. In the first integral, the value of y, we will pick it from the equation of line. Equation of line was y is equal to 4. Therefore, this will give you 4 dx minus integral minus 2 to 2. The value of y from the parabola is x square dx. On integrating, we have 4 x within limits minus 2 to 2 minus 1 by 3 x cube within limit minus 2 to 2. On substituting upper and lower limits, we have 4 into 2 minus of minus 2 minus 1 by 3 into 2 cube minus of minus 2 the whole cube. This will give you minus of minus as plus 2, and here minus 2 the whole cube will give you minus 8 and minus of minus will give you plus 8. In the next step we have 2 plus 2 as 4 and 8 plus 8 as 16. In the next step we have 2 plus 2 as 4 and 8 plus 8 as 16. This will give you 16 minus 16 by 3, that is 48 minus 16 upon 3, which is equal to 32 upon 3 square units. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.